Yo guys, it's me, and today we're cracking one of the most infamous 24-game puzzles that makes people rage quit. Make exactly 24 using 8, 8, 3, 3, each number exactly once with plus, minus, times, divide, and parentheses. Most people try stuff like 8 times 3 equals 24, and then have no idea what to do with the leftover 8 and 3. Or they do 8 plus 8 plus 8 times 3 divided by 3, but that uses 3 eighths, which is cheating. So here's the legendary solution that blows everyone's mind. 8 divided by 3 minus 8 divided by 3 equals 24. Let me break it down like you're 5, but a smart 5-year-old. First, do the inner division. 8 divided by 3 equals 8 thirds, or 2 plus 3. Now subtract that from the other 3. 3 minus 8 thirds equals 9 thirds minus 8 thirds equals 1 third. Now divide the remaining 8 by that tiny fraction. 8 divided by 1 third equals 8 times 3 equals 24. Boom! Clean, exact, no decimals, no leftovers. That's the classic God-tier move. In proper LaTeX, it looks beautiful. 8 divided by 3 minus 8 divided by 3 equals 24. Or even cleaner, 8 divided by 3 minus 8 divided by 3 equals 24. But wait, there's an even sexier way using the bonus rules, factorials allowed, that avoids fractions completely and feels like pure sorcery. 3 factorial minus 3 plus 8 divided by 8 factorial. Step by step. 3 factorial equals 6. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So 6 minus 3 plus 1 equals 4. Then 4 factorial equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 24. Mind blown. This one feels like cheating the game in the best way possible. So there you go, 2 absolute banger solutions. 1. Classic fraction beast. 8 divided by 3 minus 8 divided by 3. 2. Factorial Chad move. 3 factorial minus 3 plus 8 divided by 8 factorial. Pick your fighter. Both are 100% valid and will make you look like a genius when you drop them on your friends. You're welcome. Now go destroy everyone at the 24 game. Rock it!